Hello everyone, welcome to ElliotWave-Guest.com YouTube channel. So here is a quick update on the GDXJ. This is a Gold Miners Junior ETF. Now we actually don't cover this in our service, but we do have GDX, which is the gold miners, not the junior, but the primary gold miners in the group 3, right? We also cover gold, silver, and so on in the group 1. So this one should be sort of related to all of the other precious metal basically. Now you can see the miners have been lagging very badly compared to the underlying metals, right? Like gold continues to make new all-time high. The miners have not even moved at all. We are still actually close to the all-time low, which is amazing. But as you can see, traditionally the underlying metals usually move first before the miners follow, right? So I think it looks very promising now because the underlying metals continues to break out, and then you can see the monthly time frame. You can see if I draw some sort of trend line here, you can see we've been consolidating for almost 4 years, 2020, right? We've been sideways, but you can see the last move last month, we finally got a break above this consolidation here. So I think that's a very good progress here, and I think if we're going to catch up with gold, then perhaps the next 3 months, guys, is going to be one of the most explosive time where we can rally quite rapidly, right? Quite rapidly in the next 3 months here. So this is the monthly time frame. I'm calling this $16 as the kind of the low, the all-time low, and the reason is because it doesn't make sense to break lower again. Like if it breaks lower again, technically you can use this one from the high to the low as your first swing. This is your second swing, and then you're gonna go to 100%, which is negative number. Not gonna happen, right? We're not gonna go to negative number. Plus the underlying metal is definitely bullish and will continue to go higher, so the miner is going to catch up very quickly, and usually this is a lot more explosive. The move is sort of, when it goes down, it goes up very quickly. So I think it's going to catch up, and it makes sense to call this as a nest instead of, let's say, ABC and then go down. A nest 1212 seems to be quite reasonable, right? So if I drop to the daily time frame now, and you can see if I draw a trend line from here it's also breaking, right? So from here, throw it here, also we got a break here. So you can see this is 1 and then 2 as a flat, and then now another 1, 2, and then this rally looks quite impulsive to me. If I go down to the 4 hour, the last rally here looks pretty much impulsive to me. If I look at the current momentum, I still can see a divergence, so that's why I label it here 1 2 3 4 for now. But let's say if we continue to rally very powerful like this and erase any kind of divergence, then I would be actually looking at this way. I will label it this way, and then we're gonna rally very quickly in a wave 3, right? Now I decide not to do it that way, again, because I still see a divergence. But if the divergence erased, then I will switch to the more aggressive count, doing a 1 2 1 2 again is already finished, so we are doing with 3 of 3 if that's the case, right? For now, we're gonna stick with this, but the idea here, guys, is that I think we potentially can see a pretty big rally here in the next 3 months. All right, so that is the update here, guys, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.